So guys, if your old Samsung phone is heating a lot and draining your battery very faster, then this video is for you. Okay, there's a simple fix. You can fix it very easily, guys, and this fix will work 110%. Okay, so while playing games or while using heavy apps, your phone is getting heat and the battery is draining very fast, then this video obviously is for you. Okay, just go to settings and scroll down until you find a display setting. Just click on display and scroll down, and over there you will find a screen resolution option. Okay, so what you have to do is to lower your screen resolutions. Okay, the lowest the settings you have to lower and click on apply. Okay, after applying, just use your phone and this will work 110%. Okay, let me explain you guys. So guys, the more resolution you use, the more your phone get heater. Okay, so while playing games and all, if you use the highest resolution, obviously your phone will heat. Okay, the phone always heat just because for the display only. Okay, display, and this will increase your battery life as well, because if you lower the display resolution, it will use lesser pixel on your display and the battery will improve a lot, and your phone also don't heat much. Okay, so this is the very simple fix. You can improve your battery life and you can reduce your phone heating problem as well on your Samsung old phones. Okay, I'm really sorry for my English, guys. I tried my best to explain you all. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below and please subscribe and help your brother to reach 1K subs. Thank you.